More delicious, much easier to use. Panasonic refrigerators. The refrigerator automatically saves energy when not in use. The microprocessor uses sensor information in operating the inverter compressor, resulting in significant energy savings. The refrigerator cools ingredients gently and evenly. The prime fresh compartment softly freezes at approximately -3 degrees Celsius to keep food items stored fresh for longer periods of time. There is no need to thaw the food. You can simply cut and cook. Food fibre remains intact for freshness, flavour and nutrition. Even fruits and vegetables stay sweeter and more delicious. Another advantage of -3 degrees Celsius soft freezing. Designed with high precision, the vegetable compartment prevents cold air from direct contact with food. Instead, it cools from the outside. This indirect cooling helps minimize drying out and moisture loss. Preserving the ideal level of humidity keeps ingredients fresher for a longer time. The center-positioned vegetable compartment gives you easy access to the fruits and vegetables you enjoy every day. No more stooping and searching. Throughout the refrigerator, microscopic nano-E particles deactivate bacteria and odors, helping to keep foods fresh. Nano-E can maintain freshness in fruits and vegetables by breaking down ethylene gas, which can cause deterioration. These nano-E particles enhance both cleanliness and food safety for greater peace of mind. The refrigerator features AG Clean Filter, which consists of silver ions that help to inhibit bacteria and remove unpleasant odors to keep the refrigerator clean and fresh. The drawers of the refrigerator pull all the way out to allow easy access for you. Smarter functionality, tastier cooking. Panasonic refrigerators.
Panasonic.